Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the micronutrients. The micronutrients are the vitamins and the minerals needed by the body in the very small amount. In that the vitamins are the necessary for the energy production, immune production, blood clotting and the other function. While the minerals play an important role in a growth of the bone, health, fluid balance and the several other processes. The macronutrients on other hand included the protein, fat and carbohydrate. Our body needs the small amount of the micronutrients relative to the macronutrients. That why they are the labeled as a micro. In the human must obtain the micronutrient from the sound, since your body cannot produce the vitamins and the minerals. The micronutrient content of each food is different, so it's best to eat a variety of the food to get enough vitamin and the minerals. The micronutrients requires in a small quantity, so it is called as a micronutrients, that is the vitamins and the minerals. The quantity of the nutrients requires depends upon the age, sex, weight, physical activity and the health status of the body. The first one is the vitamins. Let's discuss about the vitamins. Vitamins are the complex chemical substances required by the body in very small amounts. Vitamins in the food are for protection and the regulation of the body function. Now the vitamins are divided into the two major groups, that is first is fat soluble vitamins, which includes the vitamin A, D, E and the K, and second one is water soluble vitamins. In water soluble vitamins, it contains the vitamins of the B group and the vitamin C. First we discuss the fat soluble vitamins. In fat soluble vitamins, first vitamin A. The vitamin A, also known as the retinol, which is found in the food of both the plant and the animal origin. The daily requirement is the 0.4 to 1 mg sources. The we can sources of this vitamin A are the green leafy vegetables and the yellow orange fruits, and the vegetables like the mango, papaya, pumpkin and the carrots are the good source of the beta carotene. Butter, whole milk, egg, liver and the fish are also the richest source of the vitamin A. Now the function of the vitamin A are the it is necessary for the health of the eyes, maintenance of the normal epithelial tissue of the body and necessary for the growth and the proper utilization of the protein. Second, vitamin D. The vitamin D is synthesized by the sunlight and it is essential for the bone growth, and it is generated in the skin by the action of the ultraviolet rays of the sunlight. Sources are the milk, butter, cheese, egg, fish and fish liver oils, and the food which has been fortified by the addition of the vitamin D. Function of the vitamin D is the increases the intestinal absorption of the calcium and the phosphate, and it also helps in mineralization of the bones. Now third one is a vitamin E. Vitamin E is an act as an antioxidant and form of a chemical substances called the tocopherols. The sources are the milk, oils, eggs, leafy vegetable, papaya, grains and the nuts. Function of the vitamin A is it act as a antioxidant, which are the prevent the formation of the oxidative free radical. It is also act as a cofactor in a electron transport, and it also prevents or delay the aging. Now fourth vitamin is a vitamin K. It is also known as a anti-hemorrhagic vitamins. The sources are the green leafy vegetables, cereals, fruits, and it is synthesized by the bacteria in the gut. Functions are the it is an important component in the blood coagulation, and it is also helps in the blood clotting factor. Now the second one is the water soluble vitamins. These are the vitamins are the essential for the many metabolic many metabolic function of the body. These are the daily required in the diet. The first is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 also known as a thiamine. The thiamine is essential for the normal metabolism of the carbohydrates and the fat. It is necessary for the transmission of the nerve impulses. The function of the vitamin B1 is a help in the carbohydrate utilization and the maintenance of the appetite and the digestion. Now second is vitamin B2. Vitamin B2, which is also known as a riboflavin, and it is one of the 8 B complex vitamins. It is essential for the health of the skin and for a normal vision. Function is it helps the body to break down the carbohydrates, proteins and fats to produce the energy, and it also allows the oxygen to be used by the body. Third vitamin is a vitamin B3. Vitamin B3, which is also known as a niacin and one of the B complex nutrient. Vitamin B3 is synthesized in a body. It is found in liver, yeast, milk, meat, legumes, peanuts, and the whole cereals. Foods that are a good sources of the tryptophan are the animal protein and the vegetable protein. Functions of the niacins are it helps in the normal functioning of the skin, intestinal tract, and the nervous system. Now fourth one is a vitamin B5, which is known as a pantothenic acid. It is act as a antidermatocytic factors, and the sources are the egg, liver, yeast, many fishes, and the vegetables. The function of the pantothenic acid is it is necessary for the metabolic function. Now the next vitamin is a vitamin B6, which is known as a pyridoxine, and it is stored in a muscle, but it is found in a tissue throughout the body. Function of the vitamin B6 is it helps in the production of the RBCs, and it is readily absorbed from the intestine, and it helps in the improve the immunity. It also improves the nervous system function and maintain the proper balance of the sodium and the phosphorus in the body. Next one is the folic acid. Folic acid, which is included both the folate and the folic acid, and it is important for the several function in the body. Function of the folic acid is helps the body to convert the carbohydrate into the glucose, which is used to provide the energy, and folic acid also helps in building of the antibodies which prevent and heal the infection. Now next is a vitamin B12, which is this vitamin is destroyed by the heat, and function is the DNA synthesis and stimulate and promotes the maturation of the RBCs. Now second is the minerals. Minerals are needed in a large amount than the trace minerals in order to perform their specific role in our body. The macro minerals and some their of the functions are given below. First is the calcium. Calcium, it is necessary for the proper structure and the function of the bone and the teeth, and it assists in the muscle function and the blood vessel contraction. Second is the phosphorus. Phosphorus is a part of the bone and the cell membrane structure. Third one is the magnesium. Magnesium, it assists with the over 300 enzymes reaction, including the regulation of blood pressure. Now fourth one is the sodium. Sodium, it is a electrolyte that aids the fluid balance and maintenance of the blood pressure. For fifth one is the chloride. The chloride, it is found in a combination with the sodium, and it helps to maintain the fluid balance, and it is used to make the digestive juices. Next one is the potassium. Potassium, it is an electrolyte that maintains the fluid status in a cell and helps with the nerve transmission and the muscle function. Last one is a sulfur. Sulfur, it is a part of the every living tissue and contain in the amino acids methionine and the cysteines. Now next one is a trace minerals. Trace minerals are needed in the small amount than the macro minerals, but still enable important function in the body. Some trace minerals are the iron, magnesium, copper, zinc, iodine, fluoride, and the selenium. The iron, which helps to provide the oxygen to the muscles and assist in the creation of the certain hormones. Now second one is a magnesium. Magnesium is assist in the carbohydrate, amino acid, and the cholesterol metabolism. Next one is a copper. The copper is required for the connective tissue formation and as well as the normal brain and the nervous system function. Next one is a zinc. Zinc is necessary for the normal growth and immune function and wound healing. Next one is a fluoride. Fluoride, it is necessary for the development of the bone and the teeth. And last one is a selenium. Selenium important for the thyroid health, reproduction, and the defense against the oxidative damages. Thank you. Now see the deficiency of the minerals and the vitamins. First, the deficiency of the vitamin A. It shows the disease like the impaired vision and the blindness. Now second is a deficiency of the vitamin D, which are known as the rickets, bone loss, and the muscle weakness. Third one is a vitamin B12 deficiency. It shows a megaloblastic anemia, impaired brain function. Now the deficiency of the minerals, it includes the iron deficiency, shows the anemia in the some cases. The second one is a iodine deficiency. In iodine deficiency, it shows the goiter and the mental retardation in some cases or in some patients. Third one is a calcium deficiency. In calcium deficiency, it shows the osteoporosis. And last one is a magnesium deficiency. It shows the muscle cramps and the fatigue. Thank you.